Yes, this is another chemical properties. This is another chemical properties. We call it substitution reaction. Now, substitution reaction occur between halogen and alkane in this aspect. You will remove hydrogen, you will add chlorine. Now, let's show it on the board for everybody. This is methane CH4 plus Cl2. This one is chlorine. Some people call it halogenation of alkane. It's either you call it halogenation of alkane. If it is halogenation of alkane, it is also substitution reaction. Let's assume we are dealing with JUPEB and IJMB and part 1 students. We are going to break it into what? Into different ion. We call it mechanism reaction. Is it in the presence of ultraviolet light? We have initiation stage, propagation stage, things like that. But all those one is what? When you get what? Part 2, or people that do JUPEB, IJMB. Now, this methane will react with chlorine. What will it give us? This methane will lose one hydrogen atom. If methane lose one hydrogen atom, that means you are going to replace it with what? With chlorine. It lose one hydrogen atom. You are going to replace what? Chlorine. This one will give us CH3 and Cl. How many chlorine do we have here? 2. But we use one of the chlorine plus ACl. ACl in gas, not ACl in aqueous. ACl in aqueous means hydrochloric acid. ACl in gas means what? Hydrogen chloride gas. You will now call this one monochloromethane. Monochloromethane. Now, this man will now undergo further reaction. Take it to the reactant side again. That will be CH3, Cl plus another chlorine gas. What will happen? You will displace one nitrogen atom here. That will be CH2Cl2 like that. Abi? Plus another ACl in gas. This one will now give us dichloromethane. Dichloromethane. Take this man again to undergo further reaction. That will be CH2, Cl2 plus Cl2 again. So what do we have? It will give us CH, Cl3 plus ACl. You now call this one trichloromethane, or you call it chloroform. Trichloromethane or chloroform. Trichloromethane or chloroform. Let's assume I use CHI3. This one will be triiodomethane or iodoform. Triiodomethane or iodoform. But because we are using chlorine, that is why we call it trichloromethane or chloroform. Now let this man undergo. If this man undergo further reaction, it will displace all the hydrogen atom again. And once we cannot see the hydrogen atom again, the reaction will not proceed. Oh yeah, let's take a look at it. CH, Cl3 plus another Cl2. What will it give us? It will give us CCl4 plus ACl. This one is tetrachloromethane. Tetrachloromethane, or you call it carbon tetrachloride. Carbon what? Tetrachloride. This is the what? This is what is called substitution reaction of what? In an alkane. But let's say we are dealing with mechanism reaction. We know how to break it. From chlorine to chlorine, from propagation stage, we have initiation stage, all those stages like that. That one means when you get to part 2, or JUPEB student, IJMB, they do all those things. When it comes to mechanism reaction in chemistry, it's very tough. I get the point. So please share this video to everybody in your department. Your what? Your rep, class rep, governor or general class rep. Let them know something is going on here. Share it to everybody. Like, subscribe, share it. Please make sure you save my number. And if you want to know for more, you can just DM message. We have JAMB tutorial WAEC tutorial, we have everything. We are doing WAEC, NECO, and JAMB. So let me give you assignments. And when you are done with the assignment, make sure you send it to me on WhatsApp. Please try to check the video back to back. So let me give you the assignment. Now the assignment will be what? Write all the chlorination of ethane C2H6 plus Cl2. What will it give us? You write all the chlorination. The way I wrote all the chlorination of methane, you write it for ethane. So thank you.